Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ryobi 18V bulb is probably one of the most sought-after replacement parts for Ryobi 18V flashlights, and today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about replacing it. We'll cover how to easily swap out the old bulb, what type of bulb to use, and some helpful tips and tricks to ensure a smooth and successful repair, getting your trusty flashlight shining bright once more. Number 5. LudoPam LED Flashlight Bulb. Give your flashlight a boost with this bright LED bulb. It's compatible with many popular brands and models, providing a significant upgrade in brightness and longevity. This versatile bulb works with a variety of flashlights. Check if it fits your Milwaukee, Ryobi, Craftsman, or DeWalt flashlight for a simple upgrade. Before installing, double-check the battery's polarity. This bulb is negative ring, positive tip. Incorrect installation can cause a short circuit. Enjoy daylight white illumination with 200 lumens of brightness. It's a huge improvement over the dim yellow of old incandescent bulbs. Replacing it is a breeze. Simply unscrew the flashlight head, remove the old bulb, insert this one, and reassemble. You'll be enjoying brighter light in minutes. This pack includes 2 bulbs, so you'll always have a spare on hand. Keep your flashlights shining bright. What we like. This bulb boasts impressive voltage compatibility and brightness. If you need a versatile, high-output replacement, this is it. Its simple installation makes it perfect for quick fixes. What people say. Light pattern is much more even than the original build, fading away evenly away from the center of the beam with no dark patches at the edge like I had with the original. Obviously, these run longer on a charge as well. The light is very bright compared to the original, and the color of the light is nice too. Not only are brighter, but they are also LED, so they will last longer. It also doesn't matter what polarity. Still, if it wasn't bright, I'd have been disappointed. However, I'm more than pleased with the bright white color and also with the sharp spot. Number 4. Podoy 3W 18V LED Bulb, 2-pack. Give your Ryobi P704, P703, or P700 flashlight a powerful upgrade. These LED bulbs deliver a bright, long-lasting light. Enjoy a significantly brighter, whiter light. It's a simple swap for a huge improvement in visibility. These bulbs are a direct replacement for the original 780287001 bulb. Installation is quick and straightforward. They're built to last. Enjoy reliable performance and save money on frequent bulb replacements. Perfect for various applications beyond your Ryobi flashlight, such as bike lights, torches, and work lights. You'll receive 2 18V LED upgrade bulbs. These are high-quality aftermarket replacements, not original Ryobi parts. What we like. Specifically designed for Ryobi models, this bulb offers a powerful and durable upgrade. If you own a Ryobi flashlight and value reliability, this is your best bet. It's built to withstand frequent use. What people say. This bulb fits and does exactly what it should do. These light bulbs are a good fit for my Ryobi flashlight and is as bright as the original. They are easy to install. I see more light. Number 3. 18V LED Flashlight Bulb Kit. This LED bulb is compatible with many popular brands, including Ryobi, Rigid, Craftsman, and Black & Decker. It's a simple upgrade for your existing flashlight. It's designed to work with various flashlight models, replacing older, less efficient bulbs. Check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your model. Enjoy a brighter, more efficient light source with this LED replacement. The positive terminal is at the bottom, and the negative is on the side. Installation is straightforward, simply replace your old bulb with this one. If you have any questions, our customer support is ready to help. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, you can request a replacement or a full refund. We're confident you'll love the upgrade. Your package contains 2 LED bulbs and 2 LED upgrade bulbs. This is a non-original, aftermarket part. What we like. This option provides broad compatibility across multiple brands. If you're unsure about your flashlight's model, this is a safe choice. The LED upgrade ensures a brighter, more efficient light source. What people say. LED and halogen bulb work great. The original bulb died after 15 years. I believe they fit many other 18-volt rechargeable flashlights also. I know they fit DeWalt. Number 2. Ryobi 18V flashlight bulbs. These 18V xenon bulbs are the perfect replacement for your old or broken flashlight bulbs. They're designed to fit a variety of popular brands, ensuring a quick and easy fix. It works with Ryobi, DeWalt, and Hitachi flashlights. No more searching for the right bulb, this one fits many popular models. Replacing your old bulb is simple and fast. It's easy to install and remove, saving you valuable time. These bulbs deliver the same 18V power as your original bulbs, ensuring bright illumination for all your tasks. They provide a consistent, reliable light source. This 6-pack provides you with plenty of replacement bulbs, so you'll always have a spare on hand. Get great value and peace of mind. Experience the difference that bright, reliable illumination makes. Upgrade your flashlight today with these long-lasting replacement bulbs. What we like. This pack offers excellent value with multiple bulbs. If you need a cost-effective solution for several flashlights, look no further. The xenon bulbs provide a reliable, bright light. What people say. They came on time and they work. Rechargeable flashlight. They work very well. They are bright. So far so good with these bulbs for my Ryobi 18V flashlight. I bought a 6-pack, and I am still on the first one. Number 1. Jomitop 18V LED flashlight bulb. Transform your old flashlight with this bright LED bulb. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in illumination. This bulb works with a variety of voltages, from 4.5V to 24V. It's the perfect replacement for many flashlights. It's compatible with popular brands like Maglite, Milwaukee, Ryobi, and more. Check your flashlight's polarity before ordering. Enjoy pure white light with a powerful 201 lumen output. Say goodbye to dull, yellow incandescent bulbs. This high-power LED bulb is built to last, providing reliable illumination for years to come. It's a simple plug-and-play replacement. Just make sure to check the polarity of your flashlight before installing it. What we like. This bulb shines with its adaptability to various voltages and its high lumen output. If you have flashlights with different voltage requirements, this is a great all-around option. Its bright light will illuminate any task. What people say. This thing arrived next day in a cutout foam block inside a cardboard box with a window that displayed the bulb like a piece of fine jewelry. Nice presentation. Putting on my best linen gloves, I removed it from its throne and inspected it under a bright desk lamp. I don't have a loupe, but it looked okay to me. I slipped it into the darkened P700, turned off the room lights and switched on the torch. Whoa! Wall-to-wall brightness with a hot spot in the center about 10 degrees wide. Used these LEDs to replace the original bulbs in my Weber grill light. Much brighter and longer-lasting batteries. Works just like they said it would work in a lot of different model, flashlights and different voltages. Installation good value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.